Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's assembly. We have a new feature this week called Postcards from Charlie. Charlie's been kind of bored, hasn't had anything to do. There haven't been any assemblies and not very many opportunities for him to get out and about. So he's doing some traveling and has sent us some postcards. So look for postcards from Charlie at the end of the video. Also looking for some additional content. We're trying to keep it fresh and trying to keep it new, and we think one of the best ways for us to do that is to have you guys submit some videos for us to include in the assemblies. So we're going to go ahead and open it up to 6th through 8th grade students to submit us some video game or movie reviews via video. A little bit of information about that coming up next. Okay, everyone, this is a special opportunity for us to get some more content for our weekly assemblies. What we're looking for is 6th through 8th grade students to create some movie and video game reviews via video that you can submit to me and we can include here in our weekly assemblies. So here's some sort of guidelines for how that's going to work. For movies, the movies need to be rated G or PG. Your review should tell what the movie is about, should say who might be interested in the movie, and should give your rating. So you can go with thumbs up, how many stars out of 5, a score out of 10, whatever sort of scale works for you was great. Also looking for reviews of video games. So the video games you review must be rated E, E10+, or T for teen. They should describe the game. They could include screenshots or video footage of you playing if you know how to capture those. And they could include comparisons to other video games in the franchise or other similar games. And this should also have your rating as well. Okay? So, some things to consider. Make sure any video that you make for school or really for anywhere in life doesn't include any images, videos, sounds, or music that is copyrighted by someone else. We want to make sure that we follow all copyright laws and we don't infringe on anyone else's creative content. Something else to consider, everyone from kindergartners to grandmas will be watching, so make sure it's appropriate for all of those groups, okay? In terms of how to make the video, Screencastify or Adobe Spark Video are great tools for creating. You can welcome to use any other tool that works to you as long as you can download it, preferably as an MP4 to send it in to me via email at my email address. Okay, you guys get creating out there. It should be fun. Look forward to including your video and movie reviews in our future assemblies.
Hi, welcome to another book talk. Today I'm going to be sharing with you picture books. Oh, Twig up here. This is Twig. He is my grand puppy because he belongs to my son, and he's little and he's really gooey. He's got really slobbery mouth. So, the first book I wanted to share with you is one of my favorite authors and illustrators, and that is all the Dr. Seuss books. This one is Fox and Socks. And we have probably over 100 of Dr. Seuss's books in the school library. So if you also like Dr. Seuss, please check them out. So the second book is The Good Egg by Jory John and Pete Oswald. And this is their second book. Their first book here was called The Bad Seed. And this was really a good book. This is about a sunflower seed who has just a rough start in life and how bad he is. And then what happens with all that. Their second book, The Good Egg, is about an egg who thinks it possibly is perfect and how that is frustrating for the people around him and how it's frustrating for him too and what happens in that. Well, thank you for joining Twig and I today. I hope that you will check out one of the books from the school library. You can find all the books that we have in the library on the school website. There's a link to it, and then you just email me and let me know which books you want. Okay, my hand's really gooey right now. Until then, happy reading.
All right, congratulations to this week's postcard recipients. As per usual, we are going to go ahead and draw one for a prize. Congratulations to all the students. Lots of wonderful things happening. And the winner for this week is Christian. So, Christian, next time you're on campus, swing on by the office and collect your prize.
Hi everybody, we're so excited to be able to share some postcards from Charlie. He hasn't been around because we haven't been at school and he's been out on vacation. So we are going to share the postcards that he will be sending in. Here are Charlie's first postcards to us. Hello everyone. Since we haven't been able to have any assemblies at school and I have had both of my COVID shots, I decided to take a vacation. I thought I would start sending postcards from the places that I visit. My first stop was the beach. It was warm, so I spent my days lounging in the sun. I saw a pod of dolphins swimming offshore, and the sunsets are beautiful. It was so much fun I didn't want to leave. I hope you like the pictures. I'll be sure to send more from the rest of my stops. Be sure to wash your hands, wear your mask, and stay safe. See you soon.
Okay, guys, that's all we have for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great week.